It's the beginning of May, the sun's shining, and we're out geocaching. Other than the occasional geocache find on our travels, we haven't done a serious number of finds in one day for at least 12 months. Why have we stopped this type of geocaching? We've been on our travels, we've had family commitments, and let's be honest, it's rained in the UK for about the last 6 months. Regardless of this, we're back and we're going on a long circular walk with the potential of finding 30 plus geocaches. And where are we? Our starting point is the Grand Union Canal in the West Midlands, and Elaine is searching for the first geocache. After a short search, we have our first geocache of the day. Leaving the canal. Thanks. Today's date, 4th of May. Happy Star Wars Day, by the way. I'm also dropping off a travel bug. Very muddy at the moment due to all the rain we've had. I think we need a fair few weeks of good weather to dry it all up. So we stopped doing this sort of geocaching last year, so it's nice to get back on the saddle, get some miles in and get into double figures with finding some geocaches. Nano caches, very tiny, very difficult to sign the log. Coincidence, but always like a nice arrow. Getting a bit peckish, nearly time to stop. Find a nice log, a nice bench to sit on. I spy a cache. Nicely camouflaged bag the cache came in. You see it? Gone. Oh, it's quite slippery.
Well done.
Oh. Hello. Oh, two. Loving this walk so far. Plenty of old barn conversions as well. Plenty of magnetic caches on this route. A house with a lake. Oh yes, I can see a phone box just to the right of the cottage. A lake and a red phone box. Some people just have it all, don't they? We've just had our first DNF of the day. Did not find, if you're wondering. No, not a DNF after all, because I think I have found it. Gotcha. It's a neat one, isn't it? So, when is a DNF not a DNF?
Oh, you have to look a bit harder. We were just focusing our efforts in one place Think outside the box. Widen the search.
Hey,
Then you get it.
think outside the geocaching box. Oh dear. Thanks for the warning, but I don't think you'd need a warning, would you? Heading towards a ford. We're hoping we can get across it. And here we are. Not looking too challenging. Bridge if needs be. But I think we can manage. Okay, some of these geocaches are a bit fishy to find. We've just met up with Jim Jinx, another geocacher, and he says occasionally he watches some of our videos. See you soon. Good advert. Occasionally watches Unowho Travel Channel. We've just had a DNF. If Jim Jinx can't find it, the chances are it's not there. So if you're watching this vlog when it appears, Jim Jinx, nice to have seen you again. This next geocache is supposed to be regular in size. Oh. I'd say that's probably more small than regular. A very sticky geocache. If you see what I mean. It's either plane spotting or searching for geocaches. It's a nice mashup. They called the last geocache we found Muddy Lane. Wonder why. Oh, lovely. For the most part, we find the geocaches via the GPS, and Elaine then logs the geocache find live on the phone.
You get a little smiley face. The ones we found.
Let's have a look.
No little smiley faces. Ah, apart from that one.
We're getting close to the canal again. Love these lampposts along here. Two more geocaches to find, and then we're done. We started along the canal, and we're finishing along the canal. This is why I like it so much, canal side. Lovely round here. And this is where our geocaching walk started this morning. We've done about 8 miles. That's what we've done today. That's our route.
Starting here, round, up there, back down.
We think we've done 33 geocaches. So that was enjoyable. We haven't done a long geocaching route for a while. Hope you've enjoyed our geocaching walk today as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one.